Amazon sellers, in this video I'm going to walk you step by step through how to use the Restock app in Seller Labs. If you've ever struggled with stockouts, overstocking, or just figuring out how much inventory to send to FBA, this tool can save you serious time and money. To get started, just log into your Seller Labs account and head over to the Restock app under the Profit Genius dropdown. This is your command center for inventory planning. The Restock app works by analyzing your sales data, current FBA inventory, and a custom setting called your target days of stock. It uses that to calculate the exact number of units you should send so you're not over-ordering or running out. Think of it as real-time inventory intelligence. You can set your preferred days of stock right here. Let's say you want to keep 60 days worth of inventory on hand. You just plug that in and click Save Default. The app uses your recent sales velocity to calculate how many units you'll need to hit that target. Now looking at the table, for each SKU you'll see a breakdown of your inventory and sales performance. You can view the number of units sold over the last 30 days under Sold 30 quantity, how many you currently have at FBA and FBA total quantity, and what portion of that is fulfillable under FBA fulfillable quantity. You'll also see how many units are inbound or reserved, and how many days of coverage you'll have based on total and fulfillable inventory in the FBA total coverage days and the FBA fulfillable coverage days columns. Finally, the need column tells you how many units to restock to meet your target days of supply, and the updated column shows when this data was last refreshed from Amazon. It's everything you need to make informed restocking decisions, all in one view. By default, the Restock app displays only active SKUs that are fulfilled by Amazon, so you're already focused on the listings that need your attention most. But if you want to view all inventory or take a look at non-FBA SKUs, just toggle off these filters at the top. To drill down further, click the filter button, then you can add a rule or build a filter group using any column in the table, like listing SKU, brand name, need, or FBA total coverage days. For example, you might filter for SKUs with fewer than 10 FBA total coverage days, a great way to quickly identify low stock items. With flexible filters, custom rules, and sortable columns, you're fully equipped to take control of your inventory flow. Once you've reviewed your list, you can click the download button to export a CSV and use that to prep your FBA shipment. The Restock is always evolving, and that's thanks to feedback from sellers like you. Our product team is actively working on improvements, so if you have any ideas, requests, or just want to share how it's working for you, click the Give Feedback button right inside the app. All you need to do is type in your feedback. You can also share a screenshot or video, then click Submit. We're listening, and your input helps shape what's coming next. Let's wrap it up with a quick recap and a few pro tips to help you get the most out of your Restock app. This tool helps you forecast your FBA needs, automate inventory planning, prevent stockouts and overstock, and save hours of manual tracking. Want to take it even further? Adjust your restock targets for seasonal trends, review your restock suggestions weekly, especially in Q4, and combine this with our low inventory alert notification to stay ahead of stockouts. If you're not using the Restock app yet, now's the time. Grab your free trial of Seller Labs, and if this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments. We're here to help you succeed.